Namaste children. Have you all completed S1 and S2 ma? We have learned the Pranav and Saket lesson. Yes? Have you all gone through the story very well? Yes? And also I told you to every day you have to learn only 5 spellings to by heart. Are you all practicing it here? Everyone should practice. It is very important for you. Okay? And also in S2 we have learnt about the sound words. Today we are going to play a game. Okay? Just all of you look at the board. Here I have written some letters in the apples. Can you see the apples? Yes, in the apples I have written some letters. So all of you are aware of the letter cards. In our workbooks we will have the letter cards, isn't it ma? In first class and in the earlier lessons blocks also we have used the letter cards and we have made the words. In the same manner today also using your letter cards we are going to make a list of words. How that one word is changing to many words using 2-letter word, how it is going to change to different words with different meanings we are going to learn. And especially we are going to learn the blends PL and FL. Okay ma? Now all of you take a pause here and spread the letter cards whatever are here. T, F, N, L, B, A, E and K. Take these letter cards. Okay, I will be telling you whatever with how many letters I will ask you to make the word. You try to make the word using these letter cards. Okay ma? Now you take a pause here and you collect the letter cards of these letters. Now what you have to do with 2 letters, you tell me one word using these letters. What is it? It is A and an. Yes, have you all written A and an? Yes, here I have written A and an. With 3-letter word, if you want to make using these letters, I have made, this is 2-letter word, this is 3-letter word. What is it? T-A-N, tan. See Nana, as we are far away, we are not reachable to each other. Okay, so I have written the words here, but what you should do, you should just close the video. Okay, pause the video and using those letters you make the words. Afterwards you have to start the video again and you check out how the things have gone. How many words you make. Okay, so afterwards you have to listen here. First I told you to make a word with 2 letters. You have made. Next one is with the 3 letters. Right? So what am I adding here? First 2 letters are A and N, an. To that I am adding letter T from our letter cards. So I am getting the new word as T-A-N, tan. So as you all know, when we are making the rhyming words, only we will be changing the first letter. By changing the first letter, we will be getting n number of words with different meanings and different spellings. So here in the same manner, T-A-N, tan, B-A-N, ban. Now afterwards, again one more word also I have written, F-A-N, fan. So here what am I doing? This A-N is common for all. Only I am changing the first letter. Okay dear, I am changing only the first letter. So here what am I doing here? Here I have written F-L, B-L. With B-L, B with B what sound will get? B sound. With L sound. Together when we are pronouncing it, already we have learnt in the earlier exercises that they are called as the blends. And how this sound is coming? Bl. B, B, L. Ba plus L, bl. And F plus L, fl. Bl, fl. So here, instead of these letters, now I started using the blends. So first one I am using F, L. So the what is the word I am getting? Flan. So here whole word I am changing and I am getting flat. Here what I am doing? First two letters are, the blend is common. The last letters I am changing. Here what we did? Last letters are common, first letters are changing. Whereas here these are all rhyming words. Okay. Here blend is same but last letters I am changing to get a new word. Here you see all of you. F-L-A-N, flan. F-L-A-T, flat. Flag. Flake. So these are all F-L blend words. How am I pronouncing? Flat. Flat. Flag. Flake. Fleur. F-L is fleur sound. Now next coming to B-L blend. Blur. Blake. Bank, blank, blanket. Are you following? So using this base word only AN and with FL and with BL and using some letters we are adding, some letters we are removing to get a new word. Okay. With BL how it sounds? Blur. With FL, fleur. So here I have written a list of words. What is the first one I have written? Black, blank, blow, blake, blanket, blink. Blink means we will blink our eyes like this. Yes. Flan, flat, flour, floor, flake, flap, flag. So these are all the words with blur sound and these all the words are with F, L sound, fleur sound. Okay ma? Now after this what you have to do is you have to open your English textbook. Pranav and Saket English textbook I told you to open no ma. I told you no that lesson once again. Now here what you have to do is very simple thing. When you are watching the video, you take a pause here and you have to open your textbook. So in this what you need to do is you have to take the pencil and in the first paragraph, what you have to do is you should take out page number 36 everyone. Here in the first paragraph you find out the words, which words are beginning with the capital letter. Which words are beginning with the capital letter. If you see here, this is capital letter, this is capital letter, this H is capital letter, S is capital letter. Okay, in the same manner. In the same manner here once again I am saying I, P, H, S. Yes, can you find the capital letters? The task is in the given paragraph wherever you find the capital letters to which words are starting with the capital letter, those letters you have to underline. Coming to the second paragraph. First paragraph already we have completed. Here S, twak, T. Okay. So in this manner, this for example I have told you, in the same manner in the next pages also you have to do in the same manner. Now let me tell you why did I say like that. See here, if you see in the first paragraph, it was Pranav's turn to throw the ball. It was Pranav's turn to throw the ball. His friend Saket was batting. Here, which letters are capital letter? First one, I is the capital letter. It, see, was Pranav's. I am writing, children, all of you look at the board. It was Pranav's turn to, yes, I told you to read the first paragraph and second paragraph I have read for you, and we have underlined the capital letters, which words which are beginning with the capital letters. I told you to underline, and the rest all after when you have come to this point of time, pause the video, and for all the words in the Pranav's friends, underline the words which are beginning with the capital letter. That is your work. Afterwards, then you have to continue and see this video. You have to observe the video. Now let me tell you, I told you that letters which are beginning, which words are beginning with capital letter. So here I, P, H, S. Here they are beginning with capital letters. Now you might be thinking, why only these letters are beginning with capital letters and why not others? So our lesson is proper naming words, that is S4, proper naming words. So here all of you know that the naming words, you know all the naming words, whatever we have learnt in the earlier classes. I told you what the things on this universe have a particular name. But here, what is this proper naming word and common naming word? I will tell you now. Proper naming word means it is only for a particular person or a thing or a place. What is the naming word? Noun is the naming word. Name of a place, thing, animal, etc., etc. They are the naming words. Now what is this proper naming word means? The words which are having to a name given to a particular person, thing, animal or place, anything. So here the difference between this proper naming word and common naming word is, listen very carefully. Naming words, you know, it is common, everything. But here we are differentiating proper naming word and common naming word. Listen very, very carefully. Proper naming word means this proper naming word will have only one person. Pranav means only one Pranav is there. There are no other Pranavs in our lesson. Saket means only one Saket. India is our country. There is only one country in the whole universe, in the whole world. Only one. Telangana, sorry it is. Telangana is our name of our state. It is only one. Bharatiya Vidya Bhavans, our school is only one. It is in NIRD, Rajendra Nagar. There is no other school like BVBV in any part of the country. Proper naming means what I mean to say, it is only one. There is no repetition or any other person like this. It's a particular person. Whereas common naming word means tree. Tree means I can say that it may be a mango tree. Proper naming words means what did I say? That it is very particular. There is only one. No repetition of it. That you keep in your mind. I am Jyoti. I am only one Jyoti. You are you. Your father is one. Mother is one. Granny is one. Like that, whoever are one. The name of that person are called as proper naming words. Whereas if we see the common naming words, tree, garden, there are so many gardens are there. Bush, bat, balls, there is no particular. Bat means one bat is. And one more thing you have to remember here, always this proper naming words begin with the capital letters. This you have to always remember. Although they come in the middle of the lesson, middle of the middle of the paragraph, but they always stand with the capital letter. Okay, and that point you had, if you see here in our first sentence, it was Pranav's turn to throw the ball. Pranav's, usually what we learned, we learned that always we should begin the sentence with a capital letter and end with the full stop. That is what we learned. But here, what is the next stage what is the next thing you are learning here? Though we should start the sentence with the capital letter, if we get the proper naming words in the middle of the paragraph, then also we have to use the capital letters. Understood all of you? So this is what we have to, these are what called as the proper naming words. Now what is your task is, you have to, in your lesson, Pranav's Friends lesson, you have to underline the proper naming words and which words are beginning with the capital letter. Proper naming words means what? Only one person. Then they are called as proper naming. Particularly, there is one person, they are called as the proper naming words. Now you have to open your workbook. All of you open your workbook to page number 38. Now all of you open your workbook to page number 38 and write down the date here. Here what we have learned, blur, flur. BL blend blur, FL blend flur. So here what they have given us, they have given us the pictures and they have given us the blends BL and FL. So what you need to do, this is very easy. Only you have to fill in the blanks with the blends, either with BL or with FL. Okay ma? So here what is this picture here to the letter, what do we call this one? It is called as flap. I told you the answer here, but again I am not going to say. And here what, for the birthday what will you do? You will blow the balloon. You will blow the balloon. Next, what is this one? Whether if it is flur or blur, you see the picture and write down the answer. And this one here, yes, yes, yes. Okay, you have to fill in the blanks with blur or flur. Okay ma. Now coming to the next one, what they are asking us, write two new words each beginning with BL and FL, blur and flur. So already they have given us some words and even I told you so many words are there on the board. You have to choose, better you try for other new words other than from these words and other than from the board. You try for the new words. Okay ma? After completing this, let's come to the next exercise. Proper naming word. Proper naming word means particular person, particular thing or particular place. That you have to keep in your mind, and always proper naming words begin with the capital letter. Okay. Here it is. Again you have to write down the date and the heading is proper naming words. So what they are asking here, find the common and proper naming words in the paragraph, write them in the table. They have given us one small paragraph and they differentiated common naming words, proper naming words. So what did I say? Always proper naming words begin with the capital letter. That you have to remember and you have to think whether it is a place, thing, person, animal, whichever it is. Those words you have to write down here, and other than those words you have to write down the here. I will read the paragraph for you. Common naming words you underline. Okay ma, I am giving one clue for you. Common naming words you underline, proper naming words you circle. Okay, common naming words you underline and proper naming words you circle. So here I am reading for you. I have a house in Jaipur. Jaipur is the name of the place. This is proper naming word. House is the common. I am having a house, you are having the house, your friends are having the house. It is common for all. Okay, if I say your house means, that is your house means it becomes proper naming word. Only house means common naming word. Here what you need to do, you have to put the numbers here so that it will be easy for you to pick out. So total we are having 7 words, and here also same manner you have to put the numbers. So here one I have told you, I have a house in Jaipur. Proper naming one we got, common naming one we got. Now next sentence. My friend Ritu also lives there. In this sentence you find the proper naming word, common naming word. Jaipur is the capital of Rajasthan. Here also it is a beautiful city. It is called the Pink City of India. People are very nice and friendly there. My favorite place in Jaipur is the Hawa Mahal. Okay, here what you have to see, proper naming words always begin with the capital letter. This you keep in your mind, and if it is a particular place, thing, you have to write in this list. If the name is there, you have to write down here. Okay ma? One more clue also I would like to give. First you underline, first you see, put the dots for all the naming words. Then proper naming words you circle. Common naming words underline. That will also makes your work very easy. Then afterwards, what is the next question? Write 2 sentences using proper naming words. Now here we are having a list of proper naming words. From this list, what you have to do? You have to write 2 sentences. Now for example, Jaipur. Jaipur is there. Here I will write one. For example, I am writing house. Here it is Jaipur. Okay ma. So likewise you have to find out the proper naming words and common naming words. Using these proper naming words, already with these proper naming words we are having all the sentences. So you have to write your own proper naming words. Any proper naming words you have to write down 1 and 2, and then using these words you make sentences. No need to use these words ma. You take your own words. For understand all of you, I live in Attapur, or I live in Kismatpur. My school name is BVBV. So what is it? BVBV, Attapur is there, Kismatpur is there, Bhavani Colony. Okay, Richa, Ritu, Mohit. These are all the names. They are all called as proper naming words. You choose any 2 of your own. You can choose your granny's village name, or your village name, your favorite place, your favorite animal, anything. You have to choose 2 words and make sentences. Understand children, all of you? Do very well. Don't get confused. Only thing you have to remember is proper naming word means it relates particularly only one. It is only one, not many. If many means comes under common name. Only one particular person means it is the proper naming word. You have to go through read the lesson well and fill in the, read the lesson, and you have to find out the proper naming words as well as common naming words from Pranav's friends lesson. Understand all of you, Nana? Take care. When I am giving the classwork, you do the work very neatly in the classwork. Okay ma? Do take, wherever you are not understanding, take a pause, listen again, watch it again and again and get it clarified. If you have any doubts, you can call them. Thank you children. Thank you.